Yo, check it out. It's like a half of it. See that? Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is XO Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox the brand new hair clipper and a trimmer from TPOB, the XO. See that? And first of all, I want to say shout out to TPOB for sending me these products. So now, let's unbox these machines. All right. Okay. First of all, let's read the specs. And this is the trimmer. It's a TPOB Pro XO. And this trimmer got 240 minutes operating time with a Psycho graphene blade. Okay, all metal body. And got 7,200 RPM with a brushless motor. Also comes with a charging dock on the side. Okay, see that? And a new feature on this machine, it comes with a fast USB-C charging cable, and it charges to 80% in 40 minutes. That's really good. Okay, so now let's open it up and see what's inside, Okay, it comes with a manual and looks like this. This is the charging dock. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, it's a little bit heavy and it's stable, Okay, let's take this one out too, so you can see. Okay, let's put it down. Inside it comes like this, so you can see charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C and another charging cable. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, this charging cable is for the charging dock, as you can see. Oil, little brush, and the black adapter. So, and the screw. This is the trimmer. Okay, and the older version got a power button by the side, and this one got right at the front, as you can see. And this new one doesn't have a hook. See that? It's a really good one. Feels good on the hand. So this is it. This is really good with a USB Type-C. The back. And the blade. Okay, now to the sound check. It is brushless and quiet. And here you got LED. So when you turn it on, it's green. See that? Which is really, really good. So now let's make an RPM test. 7,200 RPM. It's good. Here it's written XO, as you can see. And now, comparing to the older version, see that? Yo, and don't forget to use my discount code ADO15 and get 15% off. Alright. So now to the clipper. And it's almost like the trimmer, TPOB Pro XO. But this time got 240 minutes operating time, which is good. Got fusion graphene blade, okay? And all metal body. It's written got 7,200 RPM. I don't know about that. Okay, comes with a charging dock. Also, XO. Okay, and at the back. Okay. It's the same like the one on the trimmer. And this time, for the battery, 2,600 milliamp battery. And for the clipper, got 2,930 milliamp battery. Okay, which is good. Yeah. So now let's open it, man. Oh, okay, that's very strong. The manual. It comes also like this, just the same like the trimmer. Okay. It's a little bit heavier also. And wait a moment. Let me see something. Maybe it will fit. Maybe. I don't know, but it's not that stable. Maybe. Okay. This is the machine. Very premium. Got clicking lever as usual. 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very smooth. Okay. And the power buttons at the front here. Okay, it's a USB-C on the side. This is the blade. I like this logo here. It's really good. Okay. Sound check. And the XO. Okay, let's make an RPM test, because here it's rated 7,200 RPM, but I don't think so. Okay, inside. Okay, and we got those premium guards, which is good. You can see. Screwdriver. Oil. Okay, comes with 2 cables. One just a pure USB-C and the other one for the charging dock. Okay, I guess this is a UK charging block. Okay, you can see. Comparing these two together, you can see. Sound check. It's good. So let's check the decibel. Okay, for the clipper. And now, this is just an unboxing video, and a review gonna follow up. That's it for the unboxing, but I got a surprise for y'all. I'm gonna make a giveaway with these two trimmers, you know, the Troll trimmer and the X trimmer. Okay, both of them, they are really new, and I don't know, I'm gonna add this one to it. This one is not new, I used it already since I already got the XO, so I just want to add this one to it, but it's not new, you know. And yeah, so, and one more thing. I'm gonna add this one to it also, a brand new one. It's like this. Okay, no logo because I got mine got wall logo on it. Wait a moment, let me bring it. So this is mine. It's, for me, it's the same thing. As you can see, I use this one all the time. I got my stuffs in here, as you can see. So this one aside, and this one. So you can load your things here and down here. Okay. Inside, nothing really special here. It's a Baba backpack, and I hope the shipping won't be expensive, because nowadays to Africa it's expensive, and to Asia it's expensive. To US or maybe America side or Europe, it's not that expensive. So these are the things I'm gonna make as a giveaway, you know. And now let's talk about how you're gonna enter the giveaway. Alright, so how to enter this giveaway? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and on this video write TPOB X giveaway. Then you move to Instagram, follow TPOB on Instagram, and also follow me on my Instagram. I will also post a thumbnail of this video on my Instagram, and on the thumbnail tag 2 barbers. That's it, and very simple.